Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to learn about two commands. One of them is donut and another one is helix. So both of these commands you might not find directly in your draw toolbar. So you'll have to click on this arrow here and you'll find both of these commands here. Okay, so first I'm going to explain donut. So click on donut and you will have to specify the inside diameter of this donut that you are going to paste. So I'm writing inside diameter as 50 and outside diameter as 100, and you will see that basically a set of two circle will be created there, and you can simply place it anywhere. So suppose that I want to place a donut at 0, 0, another donut at suppose that I'm pasting at 200, 200. So you can basically paste them by using your mouse cursor or directly by using the I would say that coordinates. Now the next thing that I want to explain here is what will happen. Basically this is a set of two circles, inner one and outer one, and this middle portion is shaded with a specific color. So if I use explode command on this one, what will happen? So click on explode and select object and then press enter, and you will see that basically donut is converted into a circle. Now the outside diameter we took for the donut was 100 units and inside diameter was 50 units, but select dimension, select an arc and take a look. Radius is it's showing a radius of 38. Let me increase its precision, and then you will understand what I want to convey here. So let's go to properties and increase precision. Here you will find precision option. Okay, it's taking a little time. Tolerances, this one. So increase this precision to 0.00. So just take a look. Radius is 37.5 and diameter is 75. So what has happened is basically explode command has converted the donut into a circle of average radius. Okay, so the inside diameter was 50 units, or basically inside radius was 25 and outside radius was 50. So average of 50 and 25 will be 37.5. So this is what explode does to donut. Now I'm deleting it. Let's come to another command, that is helix. So click on helix here, then specify a center point. I'm specifying 0, 0 as the center point. Then it will ask you to specify the base radius. So I'm specifying base radius as 50, then top radius as 100. So what has happened is basically a helix is created between the base radius and top radius. Okay, now the next thing that it is asking, so the next thing that we need to write here is what is the height of this helix. So I'm going to take two cases. So I'm specifying height as 0 and press enter. So basically if you will shift your view, you will see that height of this helix is 0. Okay, or this is a two-dimensional figure. Now select the helix command again, repeat helix. I'm specifying starting point as this one, specify inner radius as 50 units and outer radius as 100, and then specify height. So in this time I'm specifying height as 50 units. Press enter. Now you will not see any difference in the helix that is created from the top view, but if you will shift this view like this, you will see that basically this helix is a three-dimensional object. It is basically created in z-axis as well. Okay, so that's what height does in helix command. Now let's delete it and let us consider some more examples. So this is the base point, again same height, same radiuses, And this time, before giving heights, I'm just specifying the number of turns as 8 or 9 or whatever. So just take a look. Helix is of same inner and outer diameter, but this time the number of turns are increased. Okay, so this is what we have created here. Then we can specify turn height as well. We can specify twist as well and axis endpoint as well. So these are the things that we can specify. So suppose that if I want to specify axis like this, I can specify it. So endpoint of axis, they are specified, and this time as well the helix that we have created, this is a three-dimensional object. Okay, so let's press Ctrl Z. Now let's repeat the same helix command again. Recent input, helix, center point, initial 50, outer 100, and then give the turn height, specify turn height as 10 units, press enter, and take a look. You can provide specify as basically if you will increase the helix height, or if you provide a helix height. So basically I have given the turn height as 10 units. So suppose that I specify helix height as 100 units. So basically it should have 10 turns. Okay, so click on specify height as 100 and take a look how many turns are there. So basically 10 turns are created, but the inner and the outer radius is same. So that's what we need to understand. Now if you want to move it, basically there are these points, so you will have to wait until this point turns orange and you can shift it anywhere. So I hope you guys learned something new today. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much and have a nice day.